Hey everybody, today we'll be discussing the as-is clause in the residential purchase agreement. You don't want to miss this. So you made an offer on a house with your buyer. Buyer's excited, yay, he's excited. You have your residential purchase agreement signed by the seller, which means you are going to open escrow. It's a good day. Now the deal is this. When does the as-is clause come into effect? I want you to think about this, the as-is clause. Is it still in the contracts? Do we still use that? Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? It's still in the contract. It's still crucial, but let me explain. Let's back it up a little. Ever gone to a garage sale and buy some piece of junk in a garage sale for $5, $2, $1, whatever it is? Listen, there's no implied warranties on this gadget you're gonna buy, whether it be a baseball glove or a ball or a toy. There's no implied warranty. You give them the $5, you walk out, it's done. Same thing with the used car. Typically in a used car, you give them the money, they give you the car, you're gone. No implied warranties. So what we do is this, to protect ourselves as consumers, we hire a mechanic, say for example in the car situation, to go and kick the tires around, to check the motor. We want to be happy when it comes to this purchase, so we investigate. When it comes to a house, it's almost very, very similar. Got it? When you get your offer accepted, under Section 11, it lists there that the house is sold as is. Now what does as is mean? As is means in its present physical condition when the offer was accepted. So the minute you have that offer accepted, the house must remain the same, if not better. There cannot be any negative surprise when you close this deal. The house being sold as is will protect the buyer. They know what to expect when you're going to close the deal. You with me? Hey, don't leave that subscribe button as is. Subscribe to our channel. Hold on a minute, but as is. People are afraid of as is because as is means you're not going to make any improvements, Mr. Seller. Mr. and Mrs. Seller, can you make any improvements? You would think, well, they're going to say no because we sold it as is. Wrong, because there's also another section in the contract, 14B. Stick with me. 14B says that the buyer has the right to do investigations. They have a right to hire an inspector to go through the house. And the buyer has the right to request for repairs. We have a great blog on that. Take a look at it. House sold as is. What you see is what you get, Mr. Buyer. What you see is what you get. Buyer walks in and buyer sees what he wants. Buyer says, you know what, I want this house. Fantastic. But I still have the protection of Section 14B, which says I have a right to go in here and see what I like, see what I don't like, see any negative surprises that I might have the seller repair. You with me? So sure, the house sold as is. But the buyer has the right to make one more move. And that one more move has to be done within 17 days. And it's based on the Section 14B, which says the buyer has a right to inspections and investigations of the property. Hope this helps you out, huh? Again, review Section 11 in the contract, review Section 14B in the contract, you'll be good to go. Hope you have a great day. See you next week. Hey, thanks for watching this last video. Hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. Hey, do us a favor. If you think a family member or a friend would also enjoy it, why don't you share it with them? I guarantee it, they're going to get something out of it. In addition, if you have any comments, questions, or a topic you want us to discuss, hey, leave it down in the comment section. And one last thing. If you haven't subscribed yet, what the hell are you waiting for? Do it right now. Hope to see you next week.